How to create a QR code for a Google form on Android. This tutorial shows you how to generate a scannable code that takes anyone straight to your form to open the QR code generator on your Android device. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device and navigate to your Google form. After that, tap the Share button and then tap Copy Link to copy the form URL to your clipboard. From there, open a new tab in Chrome and search for a QR code generator. At this point, tap on any website from the results to open the QR code generator. In the next step, make sure the URL option is selected on the generator page and tap on the input field. Following this, paste the Google form link you copied earlier into the field. Once done, tap Generate and wait a moment while the website creates your QR code. From here, once the QR code appears, tap Download to save it directly to your device. Finally, share the downloaded QR code with whoever you want. Anyone who scans it will be taken straight to your Google form instantly. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a QR code for your Google form on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.